Now, you can take a look at the periodic chart, and I'm going to take you back there in just a second. But how many periods are there on the periodic table? Well, let's remember that there are 7, but I'm going to take you back there. And here's the periodic chart table, the periodic chart in your book. And if you count down the left-hand side, and I think I have some ability to mark this, but this is period 1, this is period 2, this is period 3, this is period 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you say, okay, but how about these guys down here? Well, these guys down here, actually, these guys fit really up in here. So there are 7 periods on our periodic chart. All right, now question number 5 was, how many electron shells do atoms in period 2 have? So there's no looking at the periodic table. You just have to know, so write this down if you need to, that there are the same number of shells as there are the number of the periods. So just 20 seconds ago, we went through and we counted each of those periods. And when I said this is period 1, there is 1 shell or 1 orbit. When I said, hey, this is period number 2, that's 2 shells or 2 orbits. Write that down. When I said this is period 3, there are 3 orbits or 3 shells. So how many electron shells do atoms in period 2 have? 2. Okay? Periods equal number of shells. You just have to know that. Now, number 6, elements in the same group or family, so the elements going down a column of the periodic table are similar in what way? Well, here you go. They have the same number of valence electrons. Okay? Same number of valence electrons. So when we go back to the periodic chart, all of these atoms in group 2 have 2 valence electrons. Over here, 7 valence electrons. 6 valence electrons. They're in the same group or family. 8 valence electrons, or some scientists would say 0. Over here, 1 valence electron, 2 valence electrons, 3 valence electrons, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 valence electrons. Now, in number 7 is, which of the following families is inert or non-reactive? Well, you could look at the periodic chart and you might look for some clues like, inert gases or noble gases. But the answer is it's it's family 8, and it's the noble gases. 8 valence electrons, and they're called noble gases. So non-reactive, inert, noble gases all mean the same thing, and they're way over on the right-hand side.